Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a screw for the bottom drawer on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So to get to the screw we're going to be replacing, we're going to open up the drawer, and you can see here the handle is loose, and that's why we're going to be replacing this screw. Alright, so to get the screw off, we're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver. And once we get it loose enough, we can take that out. Make sure to take your washer off. Now, grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Alright, so now we're going to put the washer on the screw, and we're going to put the screw into that hole. And just tighten it by hand a little bit, just to get it started in that hole. And we're going to tighten it the rest of the way. And just make sure you keep some counter pressure on the handle, so you can get it in there nice and tight. There we go. And you can see here, the handle's not loose anymore, so we can close the drawer, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.